Hi everyone, I'm Philip, and in this video I'll talk about archive pages in WordPress. First, I'll explain what archive pages are, and then walk you through the coding process of creating and customizing a custom archive page. If you're here just for the tutorial, you'll be able to find the timecodes in the description below. So without further ado, let's get into it. If you've ever been scrolling through a blog, news portal, or online magazine, you've been on an archive page. It's the page that displays previously published content in a grid layout. Archive pages organize lists of posts under a specific post type, for instance category, tag, etc. As for the practical part, WordPress creates archive pages automatically. But if you want to customize the way they look and what content they display, then there's some work cut out for you. So if you want to create a custom archive page, you have several options available, and they're the following. There are multiple approaches when it comes to creating an archive page in WordPress. Some involve coding and some do not, so let's dive into them. Almost every WordPress theme has an integrated file called archive.php that defines how your archive type page will look. Although it's an integrated file, you can still customize its appearance with custom CSS. There's a plugin for everything, so archive pages are no exception. Archive page plugins are a code-free and easy way to create archive pages. Some of the most popular plugins are Archive Control and Annual Archive, but the most efficient way would be to use a website builder, like Visual Composer, because they come with a bunch of features that help to create a beautiful archive page. There's also an option to design an archive page for custom content types, and there are a couple of ways to do it. First, you can create a new PHP template and upload it to the folder of your WordPress theme. This is where you can define what content to include and how it will be displayed. The second option is to create a page and set it as an archive page. These options require some coding skills, so let me walk you through it. You can create an archive.php template for the monthly, author, tag, or custom post type archive page, or you can make a custom page archive. It will be a one-page template to display all archives. Plus, you can assign it to any page to create an archive page. In this tutorial, I'll show you both ways, and you'll be able to find all code snippets in the blog post. Okay, now I will show you how to make a custom archive page template. First, you need to go to your WordPress folder and go to WP Content, go to Themes, and then select your theme. In this theme folder, you have to create a new PHP file. Let's call it Custom Archive Template. You can choose any name here, it won't matter. Now here you can code anything you want. We'll just take an example from our blog post. Let's take this one, for example. And put it here. For this part, you need at least some level of coding knowledge. As you can see, there's quite a while of code here. As you can see here, this code calls for a post type of portfolio. However, I have no posts with this post type prepared, so I will just change it to post. And in this case, it will call for all the posts on my page. And save this file. Now, let's go to our WordPress dashboard, reload it for safety, and create a new page. Here under Templates, we can choose now this custom template. As you can see here, the name is custom template and it is presented here. So if we change our name here to custom template new, for example, the template name will be also updated here. So after this is chosen, we just publish the page, give it a name like custom archive page, click publish, and let's view the page. And as you can see, the code is listening for all of my posts currently on this website, and they have custom styling, not WordPress predefined. So now with CSS you can adjust it to your liking. Obviously you can do a lot more. Here with PHP you can add titles, you can add pictures, you can add buttons, like you can add a read more button here if you want to hide some of the content, and a lot more. But this is just a simple way to show you how a custom archive page template is made. For more information on that, you can visit our blog post, which will be linked in the description of this video. Now you should know everything you need to be able to start working with archive pages and not let your visitor get lost in all your content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.